now we are here at Dragon Station. You have to know that name. Dragon Station is the biggest bus station here in ULANBATOR in Mongolia, so be aware of that. We bought a ticket to Kharakhorim, that is like the former capital of Mongolia, for only like $7 each, maybe. So these are like the buses.
Welcome to ND Travel, your favorite channel. In this video we're going to show you how to get from ULANBATOR to Kharakhorim, the antique capital of Mongolia. But first we need to change some currency. It's not that easy to find the currency exchange in ULANBATOR, mostly because of the names, or Google Maps doesn't help you that much, but be aware of this.
This morning we're here exchanging currency here in Mongolia, in ULANBATOR. But many people ask me like, where can you exchange money here in Mongolia, you know? So this is the place where there are like 20 exchange houses, you know? We will like leave the link of the Google Maps location here, down here in this link, you know? And this is the place, you know, you can change rubles, Russian rubles, dollars, you can exchange Korean won, you know, everything you need. Well, now we are here in the bus. Inside it is going to go from ULANBATOR through Kharakhorim, the antique capital of Mongolia. So this is how the bus is, you know.
The journey has a duration of 6 hours and the bus stops only once, but when he stops, there is no restroom available. The landscapes in Mongolia are amazing, are only desert and land as you can see, until you get to the antique capital of Kharakhorim. There's only one option of accommodation, and that is Gaia's guest house. As you can see, she's taking us and she picked us up on the bus station. Now we have arrived to Gaia's guest house, the only hotel in Kharakhorim.
Well, right now we're going to show you how is a Mongolian girl inside. Come on. So you open this door, you know, and you come on inside. And this is how a Mongolian girl is actually, you know. Come on, close. So this is how is a Mongolian girl inside. This is a stove when you like can cook here, you know, and everything like can go throughout the girl, so like there's not any problem, you know. Then you can lie here in like these comfortable beds in Kharakhorim. Really good, so come to Gaia's guest house.
Afternoons in Kharakhorim, Mongolia can look like this, but they can be really cold also. The accommodation is only $10 per person per night, and you can cook by yourself so that you can save some money.
Well, this night we're cooking here some Mongolian food in Gaia's guest house. Best place to stay in Kharakhorim, Mongolia.
After having some time of rest, we came and visited the most beautiful temple in Kharakhorim. You must come.
Okay, right now we are here in the most famous attraction here in Kharakhorim. So you need to come to this temple. It's one of the last remaining temples in all the Kharakhorim area from the Genghis Khan time.
The entrance to this archaeological site is free, and you can find everything you need. It's amazing.
Well, this is like the bus station here in Kharakhorim. Here you acquire the ticket to go to ULANBATOR.
If you want to go back to ULANBATOR, acquire the ticket in advance, because there's only one bus a day, and if you don't take that bus, you'll have to wait till the next day. Gaia, the owner of the hotel, brought us here to acquire the ticket in advance. She's really kind. Mongolian people are really kind, so don't be afraid. If you need help, just ask for help and somebody will help you. If you have time, don't forget to visit the Gobi Desert. It's amazing. Well, we hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe down here and support this channel. We will continue traveling around the world, and the travel gives you a great hug. Until the next video.